Western Colloid is a manufacturer, as I said, of fluid-applied roofing systems and reflective coatings. We've been in business over 45 years. We make we believe, quality products, and we construct those products into fluid-applied reinforced roof membranes. So we bridge the gap between the re-roofing market, where roofs are torn off and thrown away, and the new construction market. We are able to upgrade roofs, give them very long life expectancies with very substantial materials. We've been manufacturing and providing bulk transportation, field technology, and application methods for all of those 45 years, and we believe that we are doing a great service to the building owners by keeping ourselves involved with the contractors and allowing them to apply the best product, both mechanically as well as chemically, that can be provided. So we've expanded now. We have 2 plants in California, Oakland and Los Angeles. We now have a new plant that just opened in December 2017 in near Dallas-Fort Worth. And so our range and scope has expanded over the last few years, and we're very happy with the results we're getting and the reception that we're getting from the construction, the consulting, and architectural industries. They're receiving these types of products very well as we expand further across the U.S.
Are you going to participate in the NRCA's Walk on Washington?
Well, as the president of the RCMA, I have been working with our organization as in advocacy on Capitol Hill. We had our own walk on Washington in July of 2017, the RCMA, but this year we are combining with the NRCA the first part of March, and I encourage everybody to go on NRCA's site and take a look at that, because we will be walking and talking and asking Congress to have it lend an ear to our needs, both in regulations, in as far as OSHA is concerned, is a very strong point for the NRCA. Immigration is very strong need to be addressed, and all this will be addressed. And hopefully, with Reed Ribble, the new CEO of NRCA, leading us, we will get some good reception on Capitol Hill and help forward our government advocacy endeavors.